All right, time to take a look at the HG816 Hygger Aquarium Cleaning Set 6-in-1. Okay. So we've got our rod. That's a pretty cool design. So all that's going to happen here is we're going to take this and stuff it in there. And when we tighten down that collar, that is going to lock it in place. So we can take that, we can put it as close as we want or as far away. So depending on whatever kind of reach we need, we can make that happen. So that's pretty cool. Then there's a spring tip with a notch to lock the heads in. As far as that goes, we have a scoop. There we go. So you just kind of press it in and give it a twist, and then that is latched on. So you can use that for like sifting through gravel or anything like that. We want to be able to pick it up, scoop it out, and let the water drain out of the bottom. And then we've got, this actually has a metal scraper on it. And that is definitely sharp. So if you have anything stuck onto that glass really hard, then this is going to be the tool that you want to use to get that off. And I do like that they've got that protective cover to make sure nobody gets cut while it's not in use. You also have a fishing net. So that's awesome. This is a nice big one too. We got a pipe cleaner. It has fairly good sized bristles on it, so that's good. We got a corner cleaning brush, so that's pretty cool. So if you need to get inside an actual corner, you can make that happen with this. And it looks like this actually bends a little bit. So if you need to get inside a corner, you need to get all the way up, but you need to get like weird angles, make that happen with this. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got our flat cleaning brush. So this is going to be the one that I use the most, and it also has a little pivot on it. So this is going to be able to be used to clean up the sides of the tank and keeping that in good condition. This is pretty cool. We actually have a replacement spring and an Allen wrench. So we got replacement parts for this thing if we ever need it. So yeah, overall that is a very nice and very thorough kit. If you want to be able to take care of everything on your fish tank, then this is a kit that you want.